Hey, I'm Jay Cruz. Welcome to another Jet with Jay. And this time around, I want to show you what I bring with me on nearly every trip in my carry-on. First things first, I love front pockets because it makes it really easy to go through security. So I can keep my cell phone, my wallet, passport, and keys all in a really convenient spot. Now let's go inside and check out what we've packed. First things first, a change of clothes, just in case you and your luggage arrive at different times at your destination. I always bring an extra layer for the plane. This thing's been with me for years, the zipper's even broken off on the front. But what I like is it's got this nice fleece inside, and it's got pockets with zippers. This is so important because if you're relaxing on a plane, you fall asleep, you don't want your keys, your passport, anything important to fall out on the plane. Let's talk headphones. I always bring two pairs with me, wired and wireless. The wired ones will ensure that you're able to plug into the seatback TV and watch your shows when you're on the plane. The wireless for listening to music on your phone. Snacks, gotta have snacks. Always important, especially for longer flights, gotta have the charger. Let's talk liquids. One of these things right here, couple of bucks, it'll let you bring along your favorite products in TSA approved sizes, plus it comes in this nice little carrying case. However, I also just use the plastic bag sometimes. If you're traveling internationally, make sure you have one of these converters. This particular one comes with all types of plugs. No matter where you're going, you're gonna have power for your devices. I also like a device that gives you multiple outlets. It allows you to charge all of your stuff at once. If you're going on a flight that doesn't have seatback entertainment, one of these is a lifesaver. Your phone clips right inside here. You're able to put it right on the back of the seat in front of you so that you can watch your shows without having to kind of get that crick in your neck. A lot of people like to pack a travel pillow. I like the comfort, but I don't like carrying something extra. So I found this jacket that kind of turns into its own little pillow. But when you need to travel in a cooler climate, you have a full puffy jacket inside. I love taking a lot of pictures, but I hate bothering people to go, hey, can you snap a photo of us? That's why I bring along a tripod. It's probably the largest thing I carry. However, this guy will extend all the way into a full-size tripod. You hit the little timer on your phone and you're good to go. It's always important to stay hydrated when you're flying, but you can't bring a full bottle of water through security. Here's what I like to do. If you have any water left over inside the bottle, dump it out at the drinking fountain right before security, take the empty bottle through, and refill it on the other side. For more travel tips and great flight deals, visit cvgairport.com/jetwithjay.